good day students. In last class we discussed about basic concepts of sets. I think you all can understand about basic concepts of sets. Now today we are going to discuss about few important definitions. First one, function. Let A and B are two non-empty sets. Let A and B are two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. And F be a relation from A to B. F be a relation from A to B. Then F is said to be a function. Then F is said to be a function. Is said to be a function from A to B if every element of A, every element of A has unique element in B. It's written as F from A to B. Here A as domain under F, B as codomain under F. By definition of function, every element of A has unique element in B, means every element of A has unique element in B, means no element of A associates more than one element in B. That means no element of A associates more than one element of B, and every element of B have more than two elements of pre-images in A. By mathematical condition, if F from A to B is a function for all A belongs to A, there exists unique B belongs to B, such that F of A is equal to B. B is the image of A under F. A is the pre-image of B under F. For example, let two non-empty sets A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal to set P, Q, R, S are two non-empty sets. We see some examples of functions. First example 1. We see the relation F from A to B. A and B are two non-empty sets. The relation F from A to B, F is equal to set 1, P, 2, Q, 3, R, 4, S. We observed that the image of 1 under F is equal to P, the image of 2 under F is equal to Q, the image of 3 under F is equal to R, the image of 4 under F is equal to S. Every element of A has unique images in B. By definition, F is function from A to B. Next, example 2. Here the relation G is equal to set 1, P, 2, P, 3, Q, and 4, R is a relation from A to B. We observe that every element of A have unique images in B. So G is function from A to B. Next, third example. Here 1 is belongs to A, then the image of 1 have two images in B. It fails function condition. So H is a relation from A to B, but not function from A to B. Next, Example 4, all the elements all the elements have images in B. Since 4 has no images in B, so f from A to B is need not be function, so f from A to B is a relation. Okay. Next definition, very important definition of basics of group theory, binary composition or binary opposition. Binary composition or binary operation. Let S be a non-empty set and a mapping f from S cross S to S is called a binary operation on S. Simple definition. Let S be a non-empty set. S be a non-empty set. S be a non-empty set and a mapping f from S cross S to S is called binary operation on S. Binary operation on S. By definition of binary composition, a mapping defined from S cross S to S. Here we observe that S cross S contains all order pairs, that is order pair A comma B, where A belongs to S, B belongs to S. Here contains only single elements, that is A, B, C, D. Now we define a mapping f from S cross S. F of order pair A comma B belongs to S. That means f of order pair A comma B is an element in S, that implies A circle B. That means f of order pair A comma B is equal to A circle B. A circle B means circle is an operation, addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. For example, 1 comma 2 belongs to S. That implies 1 comma 2 belongs to S cross S. That implies f of 1 comma 2 belongs to S. That implies 1 circle 2 belongs to S. 1 circle 2 belongs to S. That means 1 circle 2 belongs to S. Circle means operations, addition, multiplication, subtraction or division. And 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. 3 belongs to S. 3 belongs to S. So we conclude similar definition overall. Let S be a non-empty set. Let S be a non-empty set. Let S be a non-empty set and circle or star is any operation on S. Then circle or bracket star is said to be a binary operation on S if A circle B or bracket low A star B belongs to S for all A comma B belongs to S. I repeat, let S be a non-empty set and a circular star is any operation on S, then circle is said to be a binary operation on S. If A circle B or A star B belongs to S for all A comma B belongs to S. For example, let n be a set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers are n is equal to set 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma up to so on, that set. Here let circle be a binary operation binary operation on n, that means a circle B belongs to capital N for all a comma B belongs to capital N. A circle B belongs to capital N for all a comma B belongs to capital N. Now we take in place of circle addition. Let addition be a binary operation on n, that means a plus b belongs to n for all a comma b belongs to n. But addition is a binary operation since any sum of two natural numbers is again a natural number. n లో ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి అంటే సెట్ 1, 2, 3, up to so on. Here we take 2, 3 belongs to n, that implies 2 plus 3 belongs to n. That satisfies for all a comma b belongs to n. అంటే ఇందులో ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ తీసుకున్నా, ఏ పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ తీసుకున్నా వాటి యొక్క ఎడిషన్ వచ్చి ఎందులో ఉండాలి, న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్ సిస్టంలో ఉండాలి. అంటే 2 plus 3 belongs to n, 5 plus 3 means 8 belongs to capital N. Any two elements of the set belongs to that set. The addition is binary operation on n. For example, subtraction minus is not a binary operation on n, because for example 1, 2 belongs to n, that implies operation means subtraction అంటే a minus b, that implies 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 does not belongs to n. n means set of all positive numbers 1, 2, 3, up to so on. But 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 does not belongs to n. So a minus b does not belongs to n. Subtraction is not a binary operation on n. Division is not a binary operation on n, because a comma b belongs to n, that implies a divided by b does not belongs to n. For example 1, 2 belongs to n, that implies 1 by 2 does not belongs to n. So division is not a binary operation on n. Next, multiplication that is a comma b belongs to n. Multiplication is also binary operation on n, that is a comma b belongs to n, that implies a into b belongs to n for all a comma b belongs to n. For take 1, 3, 1 into 3 belongs to n, 2, 3, 2 into 3 belongs to n, 2 into 3, 6 belongs to n. So every pair of elements in n, a into b belongs to n for all a comma b belongs to n. So multiplication is binary operation on n. Binary operation on n. Next, integer set. Addition is binary operation on z for any two elements a comma b belongs to z, a plus b belongs to z. Next, division is not a binary operation on z. Any two elements a comma b belongs to z, a by b does not belongs to z. And next, subtraction is a binary operation on z, because for a comma b belongs to z, that implies a minus b belongs to z for all a comma b belongs to z. For example 1, 2 belongs to z, that implies 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 belongs to z. So subtraction is binary operation on z. Next, division is not binary operation on multiplication. Multiplication is a binary operation on z, that is a comma b belongs to z, that implies a into b belongs to z for all a comma b belongs to z. For example 3 into 4 12 belongs to z, minus 1 into minus 2, that is equal to 2 belongs to z. For any two elements of Z is the product is belongs to Z. So the product is binary operation on Z. Whole numbers W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Well, again, addition is binary operation on W. That means for any a comma b belongs to W, that implies a plus b belongs to W for all a comma b belongs to W. Any elements 1 comma 2 belongs to W, 1 plus 2 belongs to W, any two of elements of W that belongs to W for all a comma b belongs to, addition is binary operation on W. Next subtraction. Subtraction is not a binary operation on W, because for any elements 1 comma 3 belongs to W, that implies 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, does not belongs to W. W contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 negative numbers that contain W. So my subtraction is not a binary operation on W. Binary operation on W. Next, also division is not a binary operation on W. Any two elements in W, A by B does not belongs to W. So division is not a binary operation on W. Next, product is also binary operation on W. For any two elements A comma B belongs to W, that implies A into B belongs to W. So product is binary operation on W. That is for any a comma b belongs to, for all a comma b belongs to W, that implies A into B belongs to W for all a comma b belongs to W. Next, set of all rational numbers. Rational numbers Q is equal to set P by Q such that P comma Q belongs to Z and Q not equal to 0. Set of all rational numbers forms P by Q, P comma Q belongs to G, and denominator Q must be not equal to 0. For example, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5 up to so on. 2 is a rational number, 2 is equal to 2 by 1. 3 is equal to 3 is a rational number, 3 by 1. So all integers belongs to Q, and another form 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 5 belongs to Q. Addition. First one, addition. Addition is a binary operation on Q. For any two elements A comma B belongs to Q, that implies A is equal to P1 by Q1, B is equal to P2 by Q2, where P1 comma Q1, P2 comma Q2 belongs to Z, and Q1 not equal to 0, Q2 not equal to 0, Q1 not equal to 0, Q2 not equal to 0. Therefore, A plus B is equal to P1 by Q1 plus P2 by Q2. So LCM P1 Q2 plus Q1 P2 by Q1 plus Q1 into Q2 belongs to Q, because P1 comma Q2 belongs to Z. Multiplication is a binary operation on Z. So P1 into Q2 belongs to Z, and Q1 comma P2 belongs to Z. The multiplication on binary operation on Z. So Q1 into P2 belongs to Z. So P1 Q2 belongs to Z. Q1 P2 belongs to Z. So addition is binary operation on Z. So P1 Q2 plus Q1 P2 belongs to Z. So P1 Q2 plus Q1 P2 belongs to Z. Next, Q1 comma Q2 belongs to Z. Product is binary operation on Z. So Q1 comma Q1 into Q2 belongs to Z. Q1 into Q2 belongs to Z. So total numerator belongs to Z, denominator belongs to Z. So total element belongs to Q. So addition is binary operation on Q. Multiplication is a binary operation on Q. Again consider let A comma B belongs to Q. such that A is equal to P by Q, P1 by Q1, B is equal to P2 by Q2, where same P1 comma Q1 comma P2 comma Q2 belongs to Z and Q1 not equal to 0, Q2 not equal to 0. Multiplication ante now consider A into B, A into B, that means P1 by Q1 into P2 by Q2, that implies P1 into P2 by Q1 into Q2. P1 comma P2 belongs to Z. Multiplication is a binary operation on Z, so P1 into P2 belongs to Z, and similarly Q1 into Q2 belongs to Z. Is belongs to Z, is belongs to Z. That total element belongs to Q, so multiplication is a binary operation on Q. Next, division. Division is not a binary operation on Q because 1 comma 0 belongs to Q. That implies 1 by 0 is not defined, does not belongs to Q. So Q is not, division is not a binary operation on Q. Next, subtraction. Subtraction is a binary operation on Q. Subtraction is a binary operation on Q. Subtraction is a binary operation on Q. Since A comma B belongs to Q, that implies A minus B belongs to Q for all A comma B belongs to Q. So addition is binary operation on Q, multiplication is binary operation on Q, subtraction is not a binary operation on Q, and subtraction is a binary operation on Q. Division is not a binary operation on Q.